Hey guys, so जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं that my hair is a mess because um a couple of weeks ago I think lots of people had messaged to know how I do my hair with the one step styler, which is the hair dryer and a brush thing. I'll just show you guys in a second. So basically this is the hair dryer. इस तरह का Revlon का भी आता है, which is Revlon ka jo is tarah ka aata hai, it's pretty pricey over here in Pakistan, and this one is available at lots of online pages, Bag Gallery, and there are a lot of pages on Instagram which are selling this for about 3,000 some rupees, which is so good for the whatever it does for your hair because it's so simple and so easy to use. Because the size is so big, तो आपको like you have to get a hang of it. 2-3 दफ़ा यूज़ करने के बाद you know कि अब किस तरह इसे पकड़ना है and how are you supposed to actually use it, because 1-2 दफ़ा में नहीं पता चलता because the size is like very bulky and big, so you have to get a hang of it in like 2 to 3 tries. Alright, and इसमें high, medium and low 3 temperatures हैं. ये घुमाने से like when you ये ऐसे करने से आप चेंज कर सकते हैं. It's a twisty kind of a thing. Okay, so because alright, so that was the serum. This is the Mythic Oil by L'Oreal, which is absolutely amazing. So whenever I'm doing my hair like myself, so what I do is I apply this all over my hair, on the lengths especially, because I dye my hair pretty often and it's काफी damaged बेचारे हो गए हैं. So okay, so now that's done, then I will section my hair. What I like to do is I partition my hair like upper, like half up. इनको मैं अलग कर लूँगी so that it's easier for me to manage my hair. And now okay, so basically I'll show you because इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा noise है, you will not understand. I'll take the length and then मैं इस तरह इनको brush करती हूँ with the dryer, and then you can keep it like this for a couple of seconds and then roll the ends. Rolls the ends and then you can just hold them like this so that it takes a shape. Okay, so for like अगर आप सिर्फ ड्राई करना चाहते हैं, बालों को शेप नहीं करना चाहते, you can just comb this through your hair so that आपके बाल जो हैं वो थोड़े से dry और straighten up हो जाए. And then of course if you want to give it a shape, उसके brush करने के बाद you will have to hold it from the ends, and I'll show you how you can do that. So जिनकी भी bangs हैं, so this is a tip for you guys, that the bangs lay and then just roll these on the brush like this, and then आप इसको यूं inwards like अंदर की तरफ hold कर लें इस तरह, and then इसको turn this on and just keep it there for a couple of seconds so that the bangs take their shape. I'll show you. So okay, this will give your bangs the perfect bouncy shape like this. So for doing bangs, this brush is like amazing. Alright, so this is the finished look. Super easy to achieve in like literally 5 minutes. You can do your hair, and the best part is that whenever you want to freshen up and you're going out, so आप जल्दी से you can brush this through your hair and your hair will be fresh as ever. So yeah, that's that. Super easy.